Hi student, today I will discuss in the working drawing module 2 for this 4th semester. The topic is hollow and solid core flash door. In this topic I will show the presentation in my video how to draw the solid and hollow core flash door. At first we know what is the solid and hollow core flash door. The flash door is used for the purposes of the any kind of opening, and basically it is used for the toilet purpose, for the water resistance power, and use the PVC sheet for the external veneer and when it is the low cost of materials like a veneer batten used for the flash door, it is very economical and cheaper. So in the building, when we design the room, bathroom, kitchen, toilet, we are provided for the toilet or the kitchen uses the flash door for the water resistant purposes. And this video I will discuss how to draw the solid core and hollow core flash door in the detail. Today I will discuss to draw a section, plan and elevation of a hollow core flash door. My previous slide I am going to draw how to draw a section, a plan and elevation of a solid core flash door. In this slide I explain how to draw a section, plan and elevation of a hollow core flash door. The hollow core flash door same as the solid core flash door, but the construction materials are slightly different. Hollow, that means void. In this door we create the maximum void space and use the batten, leaping pieces and intermediate rail are same. So at first we draw a width of the door which is called the MO in 1000 meter, height is 2100 which is called MO, is the lintel level. From the start date of the floor level, 5 mm floor grab, then 100 thick PCC, then 75 thick BFS. Then we will draw the hole first, we attach the wall with the frame and 150 center to center. This is called the door frame or the head, and door frame is 75 into 100. Then after the door frame we see the leaping pieces. Leaping pieces attach the stile and door frame with the stile with the door frame. Then it is the stile. Stile is 75 into 35. This is the one slide and this is the number 2 stile. This is the intermediate rail which is called 1, 2. This is the bottom rail. This is the face veneer and the cross area is called the void space. The void space is restricted about in the door, this is 25 square meter each. The section in the below, we draw the section of a door. This is the frame, plaster, wall, plaster, frame. This is the stile, then this is a leaping piece, then stile, then wall section, then batten, and another there the frame, then plaster line, then wall. The section will draw in the same manner and same width. This is the inside of the door and this is the outside of the door. Here is the vertical section of a door where we see the lintel, 150 thick lintel, plaster line, leaping pieces, then stile, then the void section, then intermediate rail, after then the intermediate rail and bottom rail, then 50 mm floor gap, PCC and 75 thick. Remember one thing, that this batten are interconnected by the intermediate rail through the intermediate rail from top to bottom. Here we show the section of detail F. In F it is the larger scale. We use the scale 1:10 or 1:5, 1:2. In the scale we see the lintel in the bigger scale, 150 thick concrete sign, 19 mm plaster for the outside and 12 mm plaster for the inside. Then there is a frame and this is a leaping pieces and this is the stile. After below the stile there is a void space and after that there is a lintel intermediate rail. The section EE will going to show the detail of the plan. In detail, inside and outside was considered and remarked carefully. By inside the 12 mm plaster and outside the 19 mm plaster, then frame, then inside leaping pieces, then style was the 20 leaping pieces was 25 into 25. Style is as usual 75 into 35 thickness. Then wall spaces, after that intermediate rail, which is 25 into 25. The total plan is connected by the total door was connected by the pattern or void or leaping pieces, face ply or veneer, which is 6 mm thick. It is the total detail of the section to section elevation plan and detail of a hollow core flush door. Scale 1:25. Show the detail of frame, lintel, joint also. Now at first you draw the elevation. The dimension will be 1000 and draw the rectangle, and beneath the rectangle there is also draw another rectangle which is called the CO. 870 CO, that means we are opening. MO, that means thousands opening. So at first discuss, I will draw previously the elevation. This is the frame. You know what is the frame of a door. The door of a frame is connected the door panel to the brick wall or the lintel, and frame dimension is 1175. Then this is the style. Immediate the joint the frame to the laminated board, and this is the laminated or core pieces, 25 into 25 thickness. Cross band. This cross band is facing veneer band, double layer or triple layer or plywood, 1, 2, 3, 4 plywood uses for these purposes. And this is the face veneer. This is the hold fast with joint the door frame with the brick wall. The hold fast is fixed from the 300 of floor level and upper of the 300 of the lintel, and then equal distance middle to 1. And this is the height of the door. We know the masonry height of the door MO is 2100, which is extended from this line, and 5 mm floor gap, and deducted of the frame 75, which is 60 we are see in this frame, and the dimensions is 2040 for the CO. Now I will also indicate this is the floor gap. Under the floor gap there was a PCC, 100 thick PCC, then 75 thick BFS, and floor gap 5 mm. We'll draw. This is the plan of a door. This is the brick wall, 25 mm thick, and plaster, two sides of plaster. This is the frame, this is the style, and this one the batten. I will show also the detail of D. Here is the D. This is the plasters of, this is the outside and this is the inside. Outside we show the frame, fixation of the frame with the wall, and outside the plaster is 19 mm thick, and out inside is 12 mm thick. And this is the style. Style dimensions is 100 into 35. This is the batten, 25 into 25, and face veneer is compressed with two sides of the batten. We see also this face veneer, not the batten. If we are cutting the sections from AA, also show the lintel, style, frame, and then style, then also the batten. This detail is similar to the plan or similar to the sections. This is the also the lintel section, which is show the lintel joint scale. We draw the name of E. We call the name of E the section, detail section. This is the 150 lintel, then the 12 mm plaster outside, draw the 19 mm plaster inside, then the framework 100 into 75. This is the style, 100 into 35 outside. This is the batten, and laminated 4 pieces, 25 into 25 face veneer. So this is the total drawing of solid core flush door with show the section elevation. Also give the detail of the batten and style pieces and the face veneer. It is the face veneer. Mm thick. This is the also called a hold fast. Okay, we draw from the last floor line to 300 the minimum height of the hold fast fixation, then equal and equal distance of 2 the total. The another drawing we will discuss the next video, which is the hollow core flush door. Thank you student, hopefully you are fine.